What's going on, everybody? It's your observant lineman here, and we have an update on the Richard Sherman situation. Obviously, everyone knows Richard Sherman was arrested just the other day in regards to a domestic dispute with family members. And there were a number of different little twists and turns about this that have kind of left us wondering and having some questions about different things in regards to what was going on with Richard Sherman mentally. And, with knowing the chronological order of events, a lot of people want to see what happened in his interaction with the police. But today we have a video of a doorbell cam that actually was in place at his in-laws' house that shows a scene with Richard Sherman, which will give us a little bit more context. But we're going to take a look at this real quick, and then I'll give you guys my thoughts. I haven't looked at it, but I've seen that it is out there. So now we're going to look at this together. It's on Twitter. Here we go. Wow. All right. Let's go through it one more time. This is kind of wild. This is wild. Let's take one more look. Clearly, something has pissed this man off, or he's dealing with an episode of some sort. Obviously, hearing the 911 call, he was drunk. But drunk, while being drunk, yes, you can be aggressive like this. There has to be something that was actually there has to be an issue here. And hey, maybe it's really none of our business. Maybe this is a family issue that needs to be handled within the family. But let's take one more look at the video, and we'll discuss further. All right. Well, clearly, again, like I said, situation between the family, part of me feels like, hey, this isn't really our business. Knowing what happened with him dealing with the police. Yes, that's something that I can look at and say, okay, let's see how the police interacted with him, because they did release a canine on the man. So of course the public is going to want to see how did that all go down. But this here is sad to me to see, because, I would never have wanted anything that was of a personal nature for myself to be out there in the public realm, especially in this condition that we see Richard Sherman in. Now, again, I've speculated about things, but I don't want to assume or try and, put this down as being, a symptom of one thing or another. But, this is a family thing, for lack of a better word. It's a family thing. Don't really know what to think about this in regards to, his future. I don't know that he looks necessarily like he's just lost his mind, but he's mad about something. Clearly, he's mad about something. Let's go through here and look and see what else we got, because I know there's a comment from his attorney, and that's right here. Let's hear what his attorney has to say.
We're investigating the circumstances related to these allegations by the state. Richard is thankful to have the support of his family and friends, and we look forward to vigorously defending this case in court.
What's Richard's mood right now? How's he feeling?
How's he doing?
Are you denying the allegations, sir?
It looked like a situation where, okay, we got more here. Okay, bigger video here. Let's take a look at this one, because this one gives us a little bit more.
Come through, bitch. Come through.
That shit looks wild. That's wild. You can hear people screaming in the background. He's trying to get through the door. I mean, to me, of course, look, when a guy is this pissed off, when the dude is in this mindset right here, it's because he's been personally offended more often than not. There's a personal issue, something between him and maybe, you know, his father-in-law that is kind of boiled over, and now, you know, in a drunk state, he decided, I'm about to go handle this, which I'm not saying that's the right way to do things. I'm just saying, you know, I'm just connecting the dots. So I know how, as a man, when you reach a point with somebody and you feel like you've been personally slighted in a way that's really gotten under your skin, this is the kind of level of hostility that you feel when somebody has really come at your neck. So that's the only thing I can think of, is that somebody, either the father-in-law or someone in the family, came at his neck in a way that he felt was unacceptable, and now probably with multiple occurrences of different things happening, now it's boiled over, and this is where things become public. So there is a level of accountability that has to go on Richard Sherman, of course, for what he's done. But let's not forget that it takes two to tango. So there's definitely more to this than just, you know, an angry man ramming into a door. And we got to make sure that we are cognizant of that, because just looking at this, it shapes a narrative. Looking at this video here is going to shape a narrative about Richard Sherman that we don't necessarily know to be true. This has been put out here for a reason, folks. You got to remember that as well. People put these things out for a reason. They got a lawyer on their side who's telling them things and using these kind of things to shape public opinion, using these kind of things to create an image that can be used in court if there's ever a situation where there has to be litigation between Richard Sherman and anyone from his wife's family.
Come through! Come through, right? Come through! Come through! Come through! Come through! Come through! Come through, right? Come through! Come through! Come through! I don't give a fuck about what you're saying. You move the door. I see cute from behind the door.
I mean, he's looking for Ray. We know that. Whoever Ray is, what did you do to this man? What did you say to this man? Because this shit is clearly personal.
Come through. That shit real cute.
I mean, the man done already walked half a mile from his car, which he just wrecked, which is in a parking lot, a commercial parking lot. You don't do that unless you got a real issue that you are intent on taking care of tonight. Those are just my observations. I'm not saying they're right. I'm just saying, as a man, I feel when you get to that point, it's because of a number of things that you are now fed up and tired of dealing with. So, you know, I keep that in my mind when looking at this, because I'm not going to judge Richard Sherman and his character on this event when I know and have seen the work he's done throughout the course of his career. Now, does that mean that I know how he is on a personal level? No, not at all. But I damn sure am going to want to see a little bit more than him shoving on the door to make me believe that he is not a good person, or his reputation is in question. He's made a mistake. He got drunk. He decided to go handle something that he felt was personal, and you know, we know how things played out from there. Now he testing the door now.
Come through, Ray. Come through. Come through.
Oh yeah, he drunk. You saw that little stumble there. He definitely drunk. He's definitely drunk. Wow. 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 What do you guys think? Richard Sherman, we see the video footage of the actual altercation he had at his in-laws' house. Leave your comments down below. Make sure you hit the like button if you like this video. Subscribe to the Observant Lineman, Uche Nwaneri. Appreciate you guys very much for checking out this video. Make sure you stay tuned because there's going to be more info coming out on this, and I'm going to try and be on top of it as soon as I can. But I will catch you all on the next video. Peace.